Well, hi, you guys. How are you this evening? It's Gretchen here with another story in art, and this one it is Keeping It Real, story in art number 259. It is Wednesday, August 3rd, and yes, this is a recorded story for you because I am up the road at the Key Center Art Walk with a booth with my photography and a whole bunch of other artists celebrating the art community on the Key Peninsula, which is really exciting and fun to do. But that means I can't stream. Well, I probably could stream, but it would be a little awkward to read you a story while I'm got my booth open selling photography. And also, Key Center is not real well known for its cell coverage or Wi-Fi service. So we've got a story tonight for you instead recorded. And I chose this book really because it has been a few days getting ready for this art walk, and a lot of things have been going on, and there's a lot of things for the whole week going on, and it just really had me in ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. And I saw this book and I read it and I thought, this may have been written for kids, but adults, we need to hear it because these are the kind of things that we feel and go through and all that kind of stuff. So the book I'm going to read today is called, let me get to it there, pop it right out. I'm happy sad today. It is by Lori Britton and illustrated by Matthew Rivera. And the illustrations are beautiful and bright and fun and but pretty illustrative too in the faces. You'll see them. And it was written, a lot for kids, but it was also written as a book that uh, adults could read to communicate with children. But I think it's a book that we as adults oftentimes need to read and need to hear this message. So that's what I'm doing today. And I am going to take you right into this story. Hang on. There we go. Yeah. I'm happy, sad today. Pretty cool, huh? By Lori Britton. Thanks for being here, you guys. Making sense of mixed together feelings. Perfect. Don't we all have that? Boy, making sense of mixed together feelings. It starts out with a appreciation note. Thanks and gratitude to my wonderful older granddaughter and editor, Momo, for telling me one afternoon that she was SMAD and inspiring me to write this book. And with much appreciation for my amazing younger granddaughter, Eliana, who shares her big ideas and big feelings with me. SMAD, what a word. Sometimes I feel happy. That's all. I feel the noisy, giggly, jump and run kind of happy. Sometimes I feel a different kind of happy. When I'm cozy in my favorite spot with my favorite book, I'm the quiet kind of happy. Other times I feel sad. Once I was sick and couldn't go to my friend's birthday party. I had a crying nothing's right kind of sad. And the day our neighbors moved away, I was a different kind of sad. I didn't smile for that whole day, or even part of the next day. Lots of times, I have more than one feeling inside of me. Like when my mom picks me up at school and I have to stop playing, I'm happy to see her, but sad to leave my friends. I say, "Mom, I'm happy, sad together." The morning I walked into my new classroom for the very first time, I felt scared and brave together. Lots of people feel that way sometimes. Last week, I was friendly and shy at once. I felt too shy to talk to the new girl, even when I gave her a friendly smile. Sometimes I feel nervous and excited at the same time. That's how I felt about my first sleepover. I was nervous for 2 whole days before it was time to go, and excited too. One time, I had 2 big feelings swirling around inside. I was sad and mad when my friends wouldn't play with me. I felt sad that they weren't being nice and mad that they didn't let me play. Both feelings together. When I fell down at the playground, I wasn't sure how I felt or what I wanted. Part of me wanted to be picked up like I was a little kid. Another part of me wanted to get right up and keep climbing. I had a little kid feeling and a big kid feeling mixed together. I had big feelings when my baby brother was born. I was so proud to be a big sister, and I was jealous of all the attention he was getting. I had proud and jealous feelings inside me. That was confusing. Last week, I learned to cut out a circle with scissors. I couldn't cut a curvy line on my first try. I was frustrated. I didn't want any help. I was determined to keep trying. Finally, I did it. When I have more than one feeling inside of me, I don't have to choose just one. I know that all my feelings are okay at the same time. If I want to, I can tell my friend about my feelings, or I can tell a grown-up about all my feelings. I can say what happened and how I feel. Sometimes I don't even have to talk. I can just be with someone and feel better. Sometimes when my feelings are mixed together, I like to pretend. I can pretend my animals have the same feelings I do. I can dance and swirl around just like my feelings swirl inside of me. Moving helps me feel better. I can even paint 2 pictures at the same time to show those feelings together. I make up my own words for my together feelings sometimes. If I'm sad and mad together, I can say smad. If I'm feeling shy and happy, I can say I'm shappy. I can make up a lot of pretend feeling words. Smad, worry sad, shappy, hap-sided, glappy, love-appy, hap-sad, braverous, skited. And you know what? Do you know what? When I'm older, sometimes I'll still have different feelings mixed together inside of me. And that's okay. And that's more about this talks about strategies for supporting children's social and emotional development. I think these are all ideas that we as adults can learn about and use in our own lives. Here it says about the author and illustrator. Lori Britton is a PhD, has more than 40 years of experience working with children, teachers, and families. Her background includes time in the classroom as a preschool teacher, helping found therapeutic child and family programs, teaching undergraduate and graduate courses in early childhood education, and presenting at state, national, and international conferences for professionals who work with young children. In addition to this work, Dr. Britton has written many children's books that help kids stay safe and express their feelings and ideas. She also takes her therapy dog, Puppet, to visit children in hospitals, in schools. Lori lives in Eugene, Oregon. Yay, that's where we're going soon. That's where my daughter and son-in-law and 3 of my grandkids live. Now, Matthew Rivera is an award-winning illustrator from Los Angeles. He graduated from the University of Arizona with a bachelor's degree in fine arts, then moved to Los Angeles where he worked as an art director for agencies, large corporations, and toy companies. Now he makes art and writes stories for kids. He's happy as making art, eating French fries, and exploring his city. That's awesome. What a great attitude to have and a great book to share. I just, I love that when there's books like that, that the way they're simply written to reach a child are oftentimes the way that they can reach us as adults the best. It's just one of those things that I think we need to listen to. Listen to those mixed together feelings and let it out. I love that. One of the ways to let it out is through your art. And so many of you guys are so talented with that and sit down and do those. So maybe try that, drawing 2 different feelings at one time, or doing that kind of things, or putting some words to some of your art that express what you were feeling or what you're doing. I know it's helpful to me when I can either get on my camera and take someplace else, or get out my sketchbook and just put things down that help get them out. Yeah, today it was a call to my sister, one of them, that was necessary to help get those things. And yeah, talking to somebody else. For me, one of the best things, though, for me that keeps me feeling balanced and feeling happy is being able to share these books with you guys each and every day, whether they're in a live stream or whether on the few times that I have to record one because I've got something else that I commit to. But you guys, thank you so much for stepping in and being here each and every day and listening to this. And let me know what you think of the book. Tell me in your comments. Share this out with somebody that you know that might be looking for something that has this kind of message. And, you know, take a listen again and let them hear it. So until next time, thanks for being here. Thanks for inviting me into your home. And thanks for coming into my studio and listening to me share this story. And until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you, but you know where it's going to be first. Go look in the mirror, and you'll see it looking right back at you. See you later.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.